this is Yshi and welcome to my channel. So I get this from Tickles. It's from the mall. It's from Greenbelt. So on Saturday yesterday I brought that one. So that is my price for my therapy. So I love that one, but my favorite is blue. There's a carrot container, and also I love that one. So let's get started. Guys. So we're gonna open up. That's a cover. And get the slime of here. So we're gonna get out of here. The slime will get out of here. Oh, sorry. I got the gather stand right now. So I got the stand up here. Sorry. Where am I here? So that's one. So my mom is gonna help me. Thanks, Mom. And so let's touch it up. Just feel the slime. Just look like a clear glue. That look like a sea or water. That look like that one. Here's her. Okay, so very nice. Oh, very cool. My favorite was blue because I love blue. Okay, just play with the slime and come on. Okay, so it's my playing. Here does carrot containers. Stretch it. Oh, it is a cool. It's one of my favorite. And colors. I love that. Yeah, it's morning. So I love that one of those. Let's put it up. Yeah, that's good. Let's cover up. And that's one for today. It's from the morning. So I see you again. So guys, for more of this channel, click and subscribe, and also click on subscribe and also thumbs up again. So this is Yshi. Bye bye. I love you.